Put an end to hot, stuffy, breezeless nights in a tent with the Ridge Ryder Rechargeable LED camping fan. With 2 fan speed settings and up to 30 hours runtime from a 5-hour charge, you'll never be short of a breeze. The handy LED light pumps out 100 lumens on full charge, so this camping fan may well be your all-in-one tenting accessory. Choose your fan speed by pressing the fan button multiple times and switch the centre LED on or off with the separate button. Flip out the red stand on the back of your fan and it's just as useful sitting on a table as it is hanging in your tent. The stand clicks firmly between 2 different position settings, so you can get the breeze right where you need it. Should a finger stray toward the fan blades, you need not worry about an injury. The soft, lightweight foam blades will brush right over with no harm done. If these features weren't enough, flip it over and take a look at the USB sockets on the back. The micro USB socket serves to easily charge your fan, while the standard USB socket lets the LED fan function as an emergency charger for your small electronics. Grab yourself a Ridge Ryder Rechargeable LED camping fan and keep cool on your summer camping adventures.